What is creative dance? An introduction for beginners. Creative dance is a type of dance that combines movement with artistic expression. It doesn't require any extensive training, and it focuses on the development of motor skills and expression of emotions. When people do creative dance, they don't need any previous experience, and it is often a segue to a more structured genre later. It is a synthesis of all different styles of dance, and people are able to create their own dance personalities and choreography. In this video, we talk about what is creative dance. So keep watching until the end. Creative dance is a contemporary form of dance. It doesn't have a specific technique because it is a synthesis of all different styles of dance. Dancers have the opportunity to create their own personalities and create their own choreography. In creative dance, dancers explore the elements of dance, which are space, time, force, and body. Dancers develop these elements into different concepts including speed, weight, shapes, rhythm, direction, relationships, and more. These basic concepts are common to all dancers. The key is to include both technical and creative skills through exploring movement. Benefits of creative dance. There are many benefits to learning creative dance. It is good for movement, cognitive abilities, and developing social skills. You will focus on basic concepts, such as body awareness, balance, muscle and bone strength, flexibility, balance, and more. It offers an opportunity to develop motor skills by learning how the body functions. In addition, people who do creative dance develop kinesthetic intelligence. This is an understanding of your body and its parts as related to your surroundings. It helps people become more spatially aware. This is a great way to get in touch with how your body moves. The elements of creative dance. The elements of creative dance focus on several different concepts and how you can manipulate these concepts to move in particular ways. It is important to understand these concepts. The concept of space refers to using dance to explore different aspects of movement, such as level, direction, focus, pathway, and size. You will dance with obstacles in the way, and you can interact with the obstacles and incorporate them into your movements. The next element is time. This element relates to the speed of your movements, which can be slow, medium, or fast. You can also bring rhythm into this element. This relates to the concepts of pulse, patterns, accents, and breathing. You can explore different aspects of time when you do creative dance. Force is another element, which is used through the change in energy. You can do this with smooth or sharp sudden movements and changing the weight in the movement. Some of the time you may take smooth flowing steps, while other times, you might make sharp changes in movement. You also incorporate the body into creative dance by isolating your body parts and making shapes with your body. You can explore the relationship between dancers' bodies with creative dance. One of the most important elements of dance is movement. This is where dancers can work on developing motor skills, and this element is broken into locomotor movement, which is movements that travel through space, and non-locomotor movement, which is movement around the axes of your body and its parts. What to expect in a creative dance class. A creative dance lesson can include any of the elements above. It will usually focus on a few elements, and dancers will be encouraged to explore concepts with their bodies. Often, dance classes will focus on a few different elements in each class, and they will mix it up in different classes. The class will usually start with a teacher-directed warm-up. Then, the students will explore the concept. They may explore space, time, or another element. You will focus on one element, and after some exploration, the teacher will often help students develop some skills. Then, the students might take those newly learned skills and create dance that goes with the element. Usually, the class will end with a cooling down. Your classes will focus on both the development of skills and exploring creativity. It helps people build confidence, body awareness, and more. In your classes you will also focus on relationships. You might explore relationships with other dancers, objects, or space in general. When you go to a creative dance class, you should expect to be creative. Movements to incorporate into creative dance. There are basic locomotor skills that people can work on and develop when they practice creative dance. Simple movements such as walking, running, leaping, jumping, and hopping can be incorporated into the dance. This is great for small children, but anyone can benefit. This takes simple everyday movements that you are familiar with and you can get creative and explore. Once you have some experience, you can move on to combining skills, such as galloping, sliding, skipping, and more. This combines basic elements and incorporates them into your creative movements. In addition, you can work on stretching, bending, twisting, and swinging, which are all great movements to add into your dance. People enjoy creative dancing because it allows creativity and exploration of movement and emotions without any boundaries. It is a great way to communicate with your body. It builds on basic concepts of things that you already have some experience with. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and make sure to subscribe to Ballroom Dance Planet for more incredible content on the way.